welcome back to the For the Love of Paper and Ink. Candia here, and we have some exciting news Kathy and I wanted to share with you. We have reached 600 subscribers. We're so thankful for all of you guys, and we wanted to say thank you and give back to you by having a giveaway. We are going to give away what I have to show here for you today, and it will be for our subscribers only. So if you are a subscriber, you can comment on this video to enter the giveaway. Let me show you what we have. We have a journal cover here from a Reader's Digest book. We have these chipboard accent stickers. We have these 12 by 12 papers. We have this beautiful one with hearts, and it has this blue on blue background here. This paper with purple on the back side. This paper. This paper. That paper. This paper. This paper. That paper. And this is all travel themed. These fun cutouts. This fun glitter paper. And I am creating something with this, and I will show you what I've created next week when I announce the giveaway on Tuesday, who the winner is. It's also going to come with these items here: a hold ticket, an index card, a guest check, a memorandum, a little mini envelope, a minus card, some tea-dyed papers, and some vintage papers, so that you can make your own junk journal with these papers. So you'll get 2 stacks of exactly the same papers of these papers. So you'll have 2 stacks of these papers. And these have already been punched and ready to go, so that you can, and folded, so they're already set up in signatures so that you can just pop them into a journal. And you can add these beautiful pages to it. So that is the little journal kit that you will get as the giveaway for this 600 subscribers. We are super excited that you guys have joined us here on our channel. And again, Kathy and I want to say thank you to you so much for watching us and subscribing to us and giving us the privilege of chatting with you and sharing with you on a weekly basis. So I hope you guys are doing good and have a good day. And if you would subscribe to us, please hit the notification bell when we post, so that you can be notified when we post a new video. Share this with your friends, comment and like, and be sure to check out these videos to have more fun with us, and see you in the next video. Bye.